So here I've taken out the typhoon for you to see, and this is the margin that we have extended. So I'm just going to tell you this part should be parallel with the other side. So this is the extension that needs to come. Remember to keep your burr parallel to the long axis of the tooth. Yeah, parallel to the long axis of the tooth. Don't angle your burr. I'm showing it like this so that you can see it clearly, because it's difficult to take a video in the reflected position. You can see that now. Yeah, let me just refine this margin. Next, you can see there's a margin all around, but the margin is not as clear in the mesial. So I'm going to just refine the mesial. Okay, I'm going to use a end cutting burr for this purpose. Let me change off this burr. Go for an end cutting one. Yeah, come back with that. Yeah. Yeah. So let's just see how it looks. Yeah, you can almost see all the margins at this point. So that's pretty decent. Now we are going to just smooth off all the point angles and line angles. I'm going to use another burr for that. Use a finishing burr. Before that, I think I'll just adjust the palatal a little bit more. Okay. finish up the rest of it. 1 second. I'm going to use my TF13 burr again. So we're more or less done on this one. Just need to refine a little bit of this proximal margin. The label that we were seeing before. Now this incisal edge, remember we had left the tips, so we're going to just smooth it. Remember you need to have, remember you need to have an incisolingual bevel. So the bevel is going to have to come, 1 second, let me just get this angle right. Don't move. The bevel is going to have to come in this direction. Yeah, in this direction it's going to have to come towards the palpary surface. Yeah, so I'm going to just reduce it. Let me see if I can give you a better angle on this. Alright, this I have to reduce it with the slightly like that. I have to reduce it like that so that my lower incisors, when they bite and the lower incisor bites, I'll just explain it first. When the lower incisors bite, the lower incisor teeth are going to come, going to come and hit the tooth directly like that, in that angle. In that angle. So this is where you want to give a bevel so that it doesn't hit directly. I'll draw a diagram later on at the end of this video and probably you can be more clear on that. So for the sake of my bevel, I need to hold my burr, not zoom out a bit. Chuda. Opposite that. Chuda. Okay. So I should not hold it perpendicular like this, like we reduced before, but I should angle my burr so that it gets a bevel there. Okay? Zoom this in. Yeah. Okay. So this is how it's going to be reduced. if you observe clearly, you can see that there is a bevel there. Let me see if I can refine a little bit of this more. Zoom out a little. So to check this, we can use our jig that we used before to see how much of the tooth has been reduced.